When it comes to choosing windows for your home in Orangeburg, South Carolina, climate plays a significant role in determining the best materials for your home's needs. With high humidity levels and fluctuating temperatures throughout the year, it's crucial to select windows that can withstand the elements while providing comfort, security, and energy efficiency. Vinyl windows have become a top choice for homeowners in Orangeburg due to their ability to perform well in humid climates, offering durability, energy efficiency, and low maintenance benefits. In this article, we'll explore why vinyl windows are ideal for Orangeburg's humid climate, and how they can improve your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall value. Resistance to moisture and humidity. One of the primary challenges of living in a humid climate like Orangeburg's is dealing with the effects of moisture. Homes in humid areas are prone to mold, mildew, and rot, especially in materials that are vulnerable to moisture damage. Vinyl windows are specifically designed to resist these issues. Moisture resistant. Unlike wooden windows, which can warp, rot, or swell when exposed to moisture, vinyl windows are made from synthetic materials that do not absorb water. This makes vinyl an ideal choice for areas with high humidity, as it won't swell, crack, or deteriorate over time. No risk of mold or mildew. Since vinyl doesn't absorb moisture, it doesn't provide a surface for mold or mildew to grow on, unlike wood or other materials. This makes vinyl windows a more hygienic and low-maintenance choice for your home. Durability in harsh conditions. Vinyl windows are designed to withstand moisture, rain, and fluctuating humidity levels without compromising their structural integrity. This ensures that they will last for many years without significant wear and tear, even in the harsh conditions of a humid climate like Orangeburg. Low maintenance. In a humid climate, maintaining windows can be a challenge, especially when it comes to keeping them clean and free from damage. Vinyl windows require much less maintenance compared to other materials, such as wood, which needs to be repainted and resealed regularly to prevent moisture damage. Easy to clean. Vinyl frames are non-porous, which means they don't attract dirt or grime like other materials. They are easy to wipe down and maintain without worrying about peeling paint or rust spots. This makes them a hassle-free option for homeowners who want to minimize upkeep and maximize performance. Long-term durability. Since vinyl doesn't warp, crack, or rot in humid conditions, you don't need to worry about regular repairs or replacements. This durability makes vinyl windows an excellent long-term investment for homeowners who want a reliable, low-maintenance solution. Energy efficiency. One of the key advantages of vinyl windows is their energy efficiency. Homes in Orangeburg can experience significant temperature fluctuations throughout the year, and having windows that offer superior insulation can help maintain a comfortable indoor climate without relying too heavily on heating or cooling systems. Insulating properties. Vinyl windows are naturally good at insulating your home. The material itself provides a barrier against heat transfer, helping to keep your home cool during the hot summer months and warm during the winter. This can significantly reduce your energy consumption, saving you money on utility bills. Energy-efficient glass options. Many vinyl windows come with double glazing or triple glazing options, which further enhance their insulation capabilities. The layers of glass, often filled with gases like argon or krypton, provide additional protection against heat loss or gain, improving your home's energy efficiency. Better temperature control. By preventing drafts and minimizing temperature fluctuations inside your home, vinyl windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, contributing to overall comfort and energy savings. Aesthetic appeal. While functionality is crucial, the aesthetic appeal of your windows is also important. Vinyl windows come in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes to complement the look of your Orangeburg home. Whether your home features a traditional design or a more modern aesthetic, there's a vinyl window style to match. Variety of designs. Vinyl windows can be custom designed to fit any window style, including single hung, double hung, casement, sliding, and more. You can choose from a variety of frame colors and finishes to match your home's exterior, allowing for a seamless integration of your windows into the overall design. Curb appeal. Replacing outdated windows with stylish vinyl windows can significantly boost your home's curb appeal, making it more attractive to potential buyers if you ever decide to sell. Vinyl windows help modernize the look of your home while providing the durability and performance needed in a humid climate. Cost-effective. In addition to their durability and performance, vinyl windows are also a cost-effective option for homeowners in Orangeburg. While the initial cost of vinyl windows may be slightly higher than other materials, the long-term savings make them a smart investment. Affordable option. Vinyl windows are generally more affordable than wooden windows or fiberglass windows, making them a budget-friendly option for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. Low-cost maintenance. Vinyl windows require little maintenance, reducing long-term upkeep costs. You won't need to spend money on repainting, resealing, or repairing windows, saving you time and money in the future. Conclusion. For homeowners in Orangeburg, vinyl windows offer a wide range of benefits that make them the ideal choice for a humid climate. With their moisture resistance, low maintenance, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal, vinyl windows provide long-lasting value and performance, ensuring that your home stays comfortable, secure, and energy efficient year-round. Whether you're replacing old, inefficient windows or upgrading to a more modern design, investing in vinyl windows will enhance the comfort and durability of your home while providing significant cost savings in the long run.